Well, hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today, that's right, I want to show you how to make hot and fast ribs on the pit barrel cooker. I'm totally excited. Hey, if you want to know how to peel off the membrane of your ribs, you can watch one of my videos up here on how to do that, but today we're going to get straight to it, so let's go. Our next step is that we are going to put that layer of yellow mustard on here, which I've already done, and we're using our pit barrel all-purpose and their beef rub. And we're simply going to sprinkle it. I've already done one on here, and we'll just keep going here to get this fully prepared. And what I like to do is I like to make sure I'm squaring off the ribs as well, and you can do that by just kind of cutting the edges here to kind of square them off, especially when you're using a pit barrel. I've got the junior, and when you hang them, sometimes the ends like to overcook. Overall, man, these turn out incredible. But that's one tip, is you can kind of square it off so it doesn't hang right into the charcoal. Some people like to double hang these and kind of get both sides, and then just like this, and hook both sides like this, and then hang them on the rack that way. So those are a few different methods on how to get your ribs prepared for the pit barrel. So we've hooked it, now we're gonna hang it and we're gonna cook it. All right, my friends, this is the step where we literally are just going to put these in the barrel like so. We've got a lot of flies today. Apologize for that. And we are literally going to put that on here. And what you're going to notice is, depending on your specific pit barrel settings and where you live, you just want to have that cracked open on the bottom. And we're going to let this cook for 3 hours. Alright guys, so one of the things that I like to do is about 30 minutes before these are ready, I like to take the ribs off the pit barrel, and then I like to sauce them. Put your favorite barbecue sauce, and then we're going to put them back on the barrel and let them caramelize, and they'll be ready to slice and cut. So a few other things to keep in mind as we're about to take these off is to make sure your lid is not cracked and accidentally creating little hot spots in your barrel, meeting where you get flare-ups from the bottom. So make sure you keep that nice and flat, and keep an eye on making sure you didn't accidentally hit the airflow on the very bottom. Again, those are just a few things. I know that this is a few new people to watching pit barrel videos, so I want to make sure I'm just giving you some tips and tricks and things to be mindful of if you decide to get a pit barrel. And now we're going to go ahead and take these off here in a moment and go ahead and sauce them. Who's hungry? Oh my gosh, guys, look. Ooh, that was close. Well, hey guys, that is how you cook ribs on the pit barrel cooker, hot and fast. It was amazing. You literally just had to put that rub on, you hook them, you hang them, and you are ready to cook. And then put that barbecue sauce on, you're ready to go. So let's give it a taste test and see how we did here. So nice caramelization on there. That bite test, ooh man, that rub has a sweetness to it and a nice bite to it. I really love pit barrel's rub, so I recommend it if you're going to use the pit barrel. Obviously you could use any rub you like. Hey, if you like these videos, like it, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons, let me know what you think. If you've done this recipe a little bit differently, if you have something to add, I'd love to hear from you. Check out all of our other recipes and tips and tricks on the barbecue channel. You can check it out right here. And from my backyard to yours, enjoy barbecue.